In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your files with OneDrive 5 minutes. Losing a file can be stressful, but OneDrive keeps a safety net so you can bring items back quickly. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to sign in, find the recycle bin, select what you need, and restore it to the original location, along with a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Use the same account that your files are synced with on your computer or mobile device. If you're prompted for two-step verification, complete it to protect your data. Once you're in the account dashboard, you're ready to open OneDrive on the web, which is where the restore happens. Look for the app launcher, the 9-dot grid near the top corner of the page. Click it to open the menu of Microsoft apps, then choose OneDrive. This loads your cloud storage in the browser so you can manage files, even if they were deleted from your desktop or phone. On the left side of OneDrive, select Recycle Bin. This area stores items you've deleted from OneDrive. For most personal accounts, items remain here for up to 30 days. Work or school accounts may keep them longer depending on your organization's policy. If you recently cleared space or removed a folder by accident, this is the first place to check. Now choose what to bring back. Click the checkbox next to a file or folder to select it. You can select multiple items at once, and you can sort by name, deleted date, or size to find things faster. If you're not seeing what you need, try the search bar at the top of OneDrive while you're in the recycle bin view. With your item selected, click Restore at the top. OneDrive will begin returning the files to where they originally lived. If the original folder structure no longer exists, OneDrive recreates it for you. When the restore finishes, go back to My Files and browse to the same path you used before, or use the search box to confirm everything is back. A quick note: if an item isn't in the recycle bin, it may have been permanently removed due to time limits or organizational policies. For corrupted files, consider using version history to roll back without deleting. And that's it. You've learned how to sign in, open OneDrive, use the recycle bin, select your items, restore them, and find them again in their original location.